Hello and welcome to your Unametal channel. In the presentation titled Steel Construction 101, we will learn about structural steel, learn how to design it and choose the appropriate materials. Don't forget to subscribe to receive the latest news from the channel. Steel construction is a type of construction made entirely or mainly of steel, which is a strong and durable metal alloy. Steel structures are commonly used in large industrial and commercial buildings, as well as in bridges, towers, and other structures that require high load-bearing capacity and strength. Steel structures are designed and constructed using various techniques, such as welding, bolting and riveting. They offer several advantages over other building materials, such as wood or concrete, including better strength to weight, greater design flexibility, and faster construction times. Additionally, steel structures are often more resistant to fire, earthquakes, and other natural disasters than other building materials. Despite the advantages that metal construction offers, there are also some disadvantages to consider. Here they are. High initial cost. Steel construction can be more expensive than other building materials such as wood or concrete. Oxidation. Steel is subject to corrosion, which can reduce its life and require regular maintenance to protect it from oxidation. Insulation. Steel buildings may have less effective thermal and acoustic insulation than wood or concrete buildings. Additional measures should therefore be taken to improve the insulation if necessary. Lightning hazard. Steel structures may be more vulnerable to lightning damage, which may require additional protective measures to protect them. Greenhouse effect. Steel buildings can absorb and retain heat more than other building materials, which can contribute to the greenhouse effect and higher indoor temperatures in summer. Overall, steel structures are a popular choice for construction projects where strength, durability, and efficiency are important factors. The use of metals for construction dates back to ancient times, but metal construction as we know it today began to emerge in the 18th century. The Industrial Revolution in Europe enabled the large-scale production of steel and led to the use of this material in construction. The first all-steel building is generally considered to be the Britannia Bridge, built in Wales in 1850. It was designed by Robert Stephenson and used steel trusses to support the bridge's load. From the 1880s, the use of steel became widespread in the construction of large buildings such as factories, stations, market halls and skyscrapers. The Crystal Palace, built in London in 1851 for the World's Fair, is a famous example of a steel building. It is a light and elegant structure that used cast iron and iron beams to support its glass roof. Steel construction experienced a major boom in the United States in the 1880s and 1890s, with the construction of several large steel buildings, including the famous Brooklyn Bridge in New York in 1883. Architects and engineers of this era developed new design and construction techniques to use the properties of steel creatively, giving rise to architectural styles such as Beaux-Arts and Art Deco. In the 20th century, the use of steel in construction grew to include bridges, towers, stadiums, airports, and many other types of structures. Advances in technology have also made it possible to design and build increasingly complex structures, including high-strength steel structures, lightweight structures, and pre-engineered structures.